Hey guys, in today's video you'll be checking out some of the best smart toilets available in the market. We have combined them according to their quality, capacity, price, user satisfaction and ease of use. You can find out more info about them in the description box below. Make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon below to be the first to know about any new videos. Ranking at number 5 we have BioBDet Smart Toilet. Its features include wireless remote control adjustable warm water heated seat illuminating LED nightlight. Also hygienic stainless steel nozzle auto clean mode gentle massage pulse kids wash power saving eco mode sturdy sittable lid. It is designed for the North American home that bringing you features to help keep you clean and wash. You can stop wiping with toilet paper and use water. Also in this you can improved water tank heating technology with active ceramic heating coil. It is to increase the duration of your warm water supply. It is cozy, convenient and easy to operate. Its self-cleaning nozzle allows for easy maintenance and longer life. You can upgrade your toilet to experience the luxury clean feeling at a low price. At number 4 we have GenieBidet Smart Toilet. No more needing to get up in the middle of the night and turn on a blinding light. As soon as it gets dark in the bathroom, an inviting subtle blue light will light up the toilet bowl. That making it much easier to get back to sleep after you've done your business. If this light bothers you, it can be turned off. Its unique nozzle design provides the most convenient and mess-free nozzle storage of any travel bidet, discreet travel bag included. This remote has a very high-powered magnet built into the back of it, which you can use to stick it to the supplied wall mounting plate. At number 3 we have ZMJH Smart Toilet. It's durable, it's hygienic, it just makes sense. This stainless steel nozzle will wash itself again and then tuck itself to back. It offers continuous warm water during your entire experience. The cool blue LED nightlight is great for nighttime bathroom trips and dropping your guests' jaws. It's a crowd pleaser. It has energy save mode, reduces electricity and toilet paper, good for the environment. The warm air dryer of the ZMJH toilet lid mitigates the need for toilet paper. The glow of the cool blue nightlight makes your favorite seat in the house all the more welcoming. The heated seat function keeps your bum warm for every use. Never again do you have to fear a cold toilet seat. At number 2 we have Woodbridge Smart Toilet. This quality construction comes with elegant craftsmanship to offer the best in contemporary styling and functionality. This sleek low-profile skirted elongated one-piece toilet has comfort, height, water sense and high efficiency. It has safety on/off sensor self-cleaning nozzles, comes with stainless steel material. It has quick-release seat for easy cleaning and energy-save mode design. At number 1 we have Tsugami Smart Toilet. The single-hole cleaning nozzle has large water pressure repeated cleaning and massage produced efficacious smooth sewage. The nozzle can be moved back and forth for cleaning so as to expand the cleaning range. The spray nozzle is specially designed for women. The water flow is mild and dispersed, which is convenient for cleaning private parts. That's giving women more gentle and thoughtful toilet care. It reduces the need for toilet paper and protect the environment. Now it's your turn. Let us know in the comment box below as this video helps you to find the best smart toilets for your need.